instance, we mentioned ahead that we can use the word 好, good, after time word to express greeting. So if you go attend a formal meeting in the evening, you can use the phrase 晚上好 to say good evening. Especially if you're the host and if you want to give a small speech to everyone, the first sentence for sure is 女士们,先生们,晚上好. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. So, 女士们,先生们,晚上好. 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 Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. When I